Hey, welcome back to part 2. You know I hate this camera, so where we last left off was uh, remote play for like a PS Vita. So, two complete games, so you do get 2 games in here. All bonus content, remastered for a new generation. So, shoot and loot as you explore, pretty much everything about Borderlands. So, let's see, what comes with the handsome collection? I don't know how good you can see on camera here. But, here's some question includes 2 critically acclaimed Borderlands games in one package, all bonus and content, additional hundreds of hours of gameplay at incredible value, competitive gameplay for up to 4 players, either online or local. They just say local play, but they don't. They just say local. Let's see what else. Upgrade 4-player split screen for the same couch gameplay. Transfer your PS3 or PlayStation Vita save files back and pick up where you left off. So if you bought this Borderlands for the original PS3 and you have them, you can transfer the files to your PS4 and continue playing on the next gen console. Which I think that's pretty cool. I mean, it doesn't completely have full backwards compatibility, so it's not like you take your PS3 disc and pop it on PS4. You can't do that. Which Xbox One you could do that only up to a certain number of limited games that they actually will release for full backwards compatibility. That you have to have the actual hard physical disc. So I mean, you gotta have like a digital save file from your PS3 data that you can then bring over to your PS4 and use it with the hard disk on the PS4. So I mean, it's not that great of a cross-gen platform, save file share system, but it's kind of there. So yeah, let's just see what this looks like. So there you go. One disc only. So if you're saying, oh well, if it says 2 games, shouldn't there be 2 discs? Nope. You get 1 disc. And this stupid insert. I mean, the little front of the cover of the insert looks pretty cool. But in here, there's nothing that great. On the back, nothing. So if you're wondering, is there like a little scratch and sniff type of code that you just flip over, then you go like XX4J777